विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. That's okay, just point it up. Point it up. Siddhirvavatu me sada. Okay, we'll start from Mushaka Vahana again. Okay, first one. So focus on my hand gestures right now. Feet together. 1, 2, 3, go. Use this hand. Mushaka Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra. Put your thumb and the pointer. Yeah, good. Now hold it like a big belly of Ganapati. Yeah. Vamana Rupa. Now Shiva. Maheshwara. Put your flat out there. Yeah. Maheshwara Putra. Showing a baby. Vigna. Vigna. Vinashaka Pada Namaste. A bit faster. Mushaka Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra Vamana